Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to leverage trade on Robinhood. Leverage trading allows you to amplify your potential gains by using borrowed money to increase your trading position. To get started, you need to have a Robinhood account and be approved for options trading. First, understand the concept of leverage and how it works. Leverage is a loan provided by Robinhood to increase your buying power. For example, if you have $100 in your account and use 2-to-1 leverage, you can purchase $200 worth of stocks. To enable leverage on Robinhood, go to the account settings and look for the portfolio tracker section. Click on the three dots and select buying power. Here you can see your current buying power and the option to enable leverage. Now, let's talk about the different types of leverage available on Robinhood. The platform offers 2-to-1 leverage for certain stocks and ETFs, and up to 3-to-1 leverage for options trading. Keep in mind that higher leverage increases your potential gains but also amplifies your potential losses. When using leverage, it's essential to set a stop loss to limit your potential losses. A stop loss is an order that automatically sells your position when it reaches a certain price. This helps you manage risk and avoid significant losses. Another crucial aspect of leverage trading is margin calls. If your account balance falls below a certain threshold, Robinhood may issue a margin call, requiring you to deposit more funds or sell some of your positions. To avoid margin calls, make sure to monitor your account balance and adjust your positions accordingly. It's also essential to have a solid understanding of the markets and the risks involved in leverage trading. In conclusion, leverage trading on Robinhood can be a powerful tool for amplifying your gains, but it requires caution and a solid understanding of the risks involved. Always set a stop loss, monitor your account balance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these best practices and using leverage responsibly, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve your financial goals.